Good morning, my wonderful people, beautiful people, ndị Igbo. Ana m ekele unu n'afọ 2024, ihe awụ ụbọchị nke mbụ n'ọnwa Jenụwarị n'afọ 2024. Ana m ekele unu maka nchekwa ọma. Ana m ekele unu ndị Igbo maka odudu ọma nke Chukwu Okike. Chukwu Igbo na-edu ụmụ ya. My best wishes goes out to all our fans, all our support base, the people who has been encouraging us, the people who has been sharing our posts on this platform, the Unify Igbos Now. Thank you for giving me all this support. Thank you for giving every other proponents of the Unify Igbos Now the needed support for us to go from this level to the next level. I don't have enough to thank you, but I know that God, in His infinite mercies, will begin to visit you at the point of your needs. Well, this 2024, I must start up with this amazing feat that we have achieved. Here is a certificate of incorporation, registration of our foundation, which this foundation will serve and also house all the whole Unify Igbos Now proponents. Because when you say that you want the unification of Igbo without any practical, without any solid efforts in achieving this goal, definitely it will be like a child's play. But God in His infinite mercy has directed us through noble sons and daughters of Ali Igbo, both from the Western Igbo, the Southern Igbo, the Northern Igbo, and the Eastern Igbos, have come together to introduce this foundation titled Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. This foundation will be responsible. They will carry out the task of the unification of Ndi Igbo properly. Where, politics fail, culture and social enlightenment will thrive. Where there is division, this foundation will move in to provide succor, to provide amenities. We understand the sufferings, the burning desires of every Igbo community to have social welfare. So this foundation will be responsible to providing a lot of social amenities to these communities. The communities in the Western Igbos, the communities in the Southern Igbo, the Eastern Igbo, the Northern Igbo. We will be going to these places to see what we can do for the people, and not what the people, in as much as we expect the people to see every Igbo people as one people. Now, this foundation will be responsible to go into these places. There are places I've been to Akpanya in Kogi State where we have Igbo people. There is no pipe-borne water. There is no electricity. There is no good motorable road. There is no good school classrooms. So the Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment Foundation will begin to see how we will help Ndi Igbo across all divides. Like I said, where politics fails, where politics divides us, where politics divided us, culture, our language, our traditions will unify us. And I am calling on every well-meaning Ndi Igbo to support the foundation, Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. We have every necessary documents here. We have the certificate of incorporation, which is here. We have the incorporated trustee details, and we also have the constitution. So everything is complete. Everything is registered under the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, where we will operate. From Nigeria, we will be going across nations, across the Atlantic, where we will be discovering other Igbo communities, especially in Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Cameroons, virtually every place that we have indigenous Ndi Igbo. From there, from African shores, we will be going to the Caribbeans, the Americas, for the sole purpose of unifying our people. So all I'm asking for is your support. I and my team cannot do this alone. I and my team cannot do this alone. It is never possible. It is not a one-man show. This is a collective effort. This is a collective approach towards the unification of Igbo. I am calling on every high and mighty persons, every person in politics, in social welfare to come support this movement. This movement is genuine. This movement is real. This movement has been tested and trusted. I thank you, and I'll remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. I am dedicated. It is in the Igbo first. It is what can I do for the Igbo land first. I am encouraging every voices out there to come in support. Speak out. Come out and speak your truth. The Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation will take care of this projects. We will take care of you. We will support you in every way necessary, in every necessary places that we can put in support. So I thank you and God bless you. This is 2024. It is a year of achievements. It is a year of the unification of Igbo. Thank you and God bless.